Did you know Africa's history is filled with unsung revolutionary heroes who risked everything to liberate their people from colonial oppression? Get ready to be inspired by the incredible, untold stories of 7 leaders who defied powerful empires and shaped the continent's destiny against all odds. 1. Amilcar Cabral, 1924 to 1973. Now, let's talk about Amilcar Cabral. Ever heard of him? He's a bit of an unsung hero, but his impact on African liberation is undeniable. Cabral's mission was crystal clear: to free Guinea-Bissau and Cape Verde from the shackles of Portuguese colonialism. 2. Samora Machel, 1933 to 1986. A name that resonates with the spirit of determination and visionary leadership. Machel wasn't just a politician. He was a revolutionary leader whose life was dedicated to the liberation and transformation of Mozambique. Next, the story of Hissène Habre, a figure whose rule as president of Chad from 1982 to 1990 was filled with both achievements and severe controversies. Habre came to power in 1982 with promises of restoring stability and promoting development in Chad after years of conflict. During his presidency, he oversaw the construction of infrastructure like roads, schools, and hospitals, improving access to basic services for many Chadians. 4. Steve Biko, 1946 to 1977. A name that stands out in the history of South Africa as a beacon of courage and a voice for racial dignity. Biko wasn't just a political activist. He was a visionary whose ideas about Black empowerment and self-awareness changed the course of a nation. 5. Thomas Sankara, 1949 to 1987. Sankara, the charismatic and visionary president of Burkina Faso. Sankara was on a mission to completely transform his country from the ground up. 6. Patrice Lumumba, 1925 to 1961. Now, this man wasn't just a leader. He was a symbol of hope and defiance for a nation yearning for freedom. Lumumba's mission was clear and unwavering: to achieve independence for the Congo and unite its people, freeing them from the clutches of Belgian colonial exploitation. He envisioned a Congo that was strong, prosperous, and truly sovereign. 7. Kwame Nkrumah, 1909 to 1972. This man was a visionary, a trailblazer, and a tireless advocate for a united Africa.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.